Okay, so this is a review for the Sifely door lock. I purchased it uniquely for the feature of being able to open it with my fingerprint. You use
Unlocked.
That's awesome, isn't it? You use an app to set it up.
Locked.
And you heard it say locked immediately few seconds after. It was very, very easy to install. You put it in the area where your normal deadbolt lock would be. And normally the instructions say put your deadbolt lock on the bottom. I just didn't do that yet, but that's what the instructions say. So move your deadbolt lock from this top position to the bottom position and then put this on top. It works very well. You can also set up other access codes for people that need to get in the house. Like if you use it for short-term rentals, you can change your codes remotely and you can make them time codes. So if they're only staying for the weekend, you can make the code only active during the time that they're actually staying. Other than that, or after that, it immediately disables. And you can create another passcode for anybody else who needs to access your home, like maybe the property manager. That can be a permanent one. But yeah, this lock is really great. I love it. I don't have to worry about finding keys when I come home. As long as I have my finger, I can get in my house. So if you're thinking about getting it, you should.
Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked.
So bought this door lock about like 2 weeks ago, and the original dead lock was on top, so we kind of have to replace that. And you can see this is what that looks like. So there's a couple ways to open it. One is the fingerprint. So let's see.
Operation failed.
Let's give it another try.
Unlocked.
Yep. So green means it's not unlocked, so I can open it.
Locked.
Now it's locked, and so it's not opening. Another way is the keypad. Basically, I just type in the temporary code 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to press the pound.
Unlocked.
And you can see that it's opening. And I think you have to wait like 2 to 3 seconds. It will lock on itself. So this is it.
This thing sucks batteries.
Battery is low. Please replace. Battery.
It complains all the time. You feed AA batteries in here every 2 to 3 weeks with daily continuous use. The what do you call it? I guess the quick set electric lock is nothing like that. I have that on my other door. Doesn't complain about batteries. Long battery life on the quick set style.
Okay, this is to lock the door, and this is to open. So when we have here, it's lovely. I love it. And if I do this, it opens. And if I do this, it opens. And you can actually enter the code and do that, and it will open again. I will put my code. I love it. I highly recommend it. This is swipe. Okay.
Unlocked. Locked.
Again.
Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Operation failed. Operation failed. Unlocked.
Okay, so now I can't get it to go. But if you smush it back together, there.
So it's whatever that rear housing is separating.
Something is off whack, yeah. It's, when I pinched it, it let me go in, but every time I put it back in the door,
It opens
separates. Yeah.
Okay.
Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Operation failed. Unlocked. 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 Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Unlocked. Locked. Operation failed. Unlocked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. 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 Unlocked.
This lock is pretty easy to open.
Unlocked. 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 Unlocked.
Stop.
Unlocked. Unlocked. Unlocked.